Hey guys, so Claude's just dropped Claude Design, and I wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use Claude Design to generate financial dashboards, kind of like what you're looking at over here. So a lot of the AI tools struggle a little bit to build out these dashboards. I've often found like they can have sort of slightly janky side labels. It's not really proportioned correctly. It's not very aesthetic, and when it is done right, to go in and change those things is quite complicated. Look, Claude Code's gotten us a lot closer, but layering in something like Claude Design gives you so much flexibility and makes it really, really accessible for anyone. Obviously, what I'm showing you now is phase one, get the design ready, the front end. And then obviously phase two would be how do you get this data to be updated real time. That's probably what I'm going to do in a second video if you guys want that. What this is doing is it's taken a Excel spreadsheet, kind of like this, which has just got 2 years worth of, there's balance sheet and then there's a profit and loss. And I've given that to Claude Design and I've asked it to generate me a financial dashboard that obviously reflects the figures. I've checked all of these figures. I'm very happy with it. There is some nice charts, nice graphs. It works well. There is a KPI dashboard, which has little explanations of what the KPIs are for, how the demo company is performing. There's a profit and loss, and a balance sheet. So any of you guys that are FCFOs or CFOs and have built dashboards in either Excel or Fathom or Sift or Reach Reporting or whatever analytics tool or Power BI, you know that something like this could take months to populate, weeks or depending on how complex your data is. This is now making it visually aesthetic and powerful and built robustly in minutes. Obviously, I just gave it one prompt, iterated a few, and then later I added these two tabs, and then I added a few things like fixing this. So anyway, that's kind of just what you get from one prompt. But then what you can also do, and that's what makes Claude Design so powerful, is you can comment on specific things. So if you want this date format changed, you would say like change the date formatting, and then it knows what you're referencing. You don't have to go like, hey, look at the page overview, go to the 13-month summary table, and then change the formatting of those dates, because then it might get confused and start changing these dates as well, which you may or may not want. The other thing is obviously you've got the comment and then you've got the edit feature. So instead of going in and be like, please don't call it 13-month summary, you can like come in and just start typing. Whatever you want to do, you can do font changes, padding, height, weight of the font. You can change the font type. So it gives you those quick edits that you don't really want to have to do yourself. On top of that, you've got the draw functionality. So you could say like, this area here is insufficient, like isn't how you want it. And also when you start with a prototype, you can also just be like, hey, I want my app to look like this and have this section. I don't know how powerful that is for me because I can't draw, but for a lot of people out there that this would be fantastic. So the first phase of this is get the design. Then obviously you can share it straight to here. You can hand off to Claude Code, and from there you can build an API endpoint to QuickBooks or Xero, for example, or Sage, and then it can pull that data out of it, bring it in, and then you can just set it on a routine, like every morning, 12 o'clock, update these dashboards. So this is something that's very powerful for a CFO firm, because this kind of data reporting is expensive, man. This would be these kinds of softwares that do the same thing are 50. I know one of them is about $89 a month. Some of them go up to like $800 a month. And at the end of the day, most people are kind of just generating this. Then on top of this, you can just put a little login portal and then send it out to either your clients or your investors, and then you have a beautiful dashboard that anyone can use, and it's quick to modify. Like let's say you don't want to show these people some information, you don't want to show them the bank balance. Easy. It's quite a powerful tool. I haven't enjoyed building a dashboard with AI so much in a long time, because it was smooth. Whatever little edits I wanted to make were quite quick to find out. I think it's going to be a bit of a game changer. Let me just show you a little bit more about what else you can do in Claude Design. Yeah, I've actually had quite a bit of success with designing thumbnails. You can export stuff to Canva. Generally, when you go into Claude Design, it's got, how do you want your prototype to look? Do you want like a finished product, or do you want to do like a sort of more standard quick thing? It's great for presentations. It's great if you have like a template already. There's a whole few examples of things you can do. And also when you give it that first instruction, so let's say I want to just do a dashboard. This is a great part. You can attach all of your either data, but then you can also attach reference images, screenshots of what you would want it to look like, and then it just will run. And obviously everything is running on Opus 4.7, which is the latest model, and it's definitely you're getting your money's worth with it. Obviously it's chomping credits, but at the end of the day, for the time efficiency saved in getting what you want in a short period of time is brilliant. So yeah, this is just still the very early phase of what Claude Design can do. I think we're going to be in for quite a groundbreaking, changing future for how reporting's done. I've done thousands of hours of reporting in Google Sheets and Excel, building charts, graphs, and I think this is at a point where I can offer it to a client that's got that's serious about what they do. It's not just like a gimmicky tool. This is production ready system that could be offered to a CFO or FCFO, fractional CFO. So stay in tune, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.